So this is the Powered by Rock Quick Release Guitar Capo for key and chord changing tool. So you can see it has this lightning bolt on the front. You would just press this here together, and then you would just put this over. This goes on the back part of the neck of the guitar. You would go right after this. Now, why would you need this? So this is good for if you want to keep a particular chord shape and you go up and down the neck. Say if you put it on the 5th fret, you could play a key of G, but you would be playing the key of C if you play G shapes. If you're on like the 2nd fret, that would be the key of A, and you could play that in the key of G shapes. I'll give you an example of what that looks like. So if I play a standard to G, and I put the capo on, say the 2nd fret, then I could play the key of G, but it'll be the key of A. Now if I go to the 5th fret, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I could play the key of G, and I'll be playing the actual key of C. So if I were to play the key of C, it would sound like this. It gives you more of a different voicing. So if you have multiple people playing, they don't know all the guitar parts, but they could play simple chords. Well, somebody could be playing like C, but then somebody else could be playing, you know, a different voicing. You can play any set of chords. The way I typically use it, I'll play the key of G, you know, an A, B flat, B, C, and so on. Especially in like a worship music and stuff like that. So this would be B flat. This would be B. And so on. So you can go all the way down. This allows you to be able to play different keys with one set of chords. So this is the Powered by Rock Capo. Hope this helps.